Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Andy Robinson RC, and cheers for checking out the channel today. Okay, so if you've seen some of our Instagram posts and previous mentions in videos, I've got this Tamiya WR02G chassis. This is the Tumbling Bull from about 2014, and it's kit 58586. And if I'm slightly wrong, I'll put a correction in that. I can't always remember the kit numbers. But yeah, this was done in 2014. I say WR02 chassis, so pretty familiar if you've had the Wild Wheelie 2, and they've used this chassis on the comical series of cars like the Hornet, the Frog and the Grasshopper. And say this is a two-wheel drive model. Now I remember this coming out first time. They did this and another tractor called the Farm King, which is a bit more of a modern looking tractor, but I love the look of this right from the start. Always reminded me a bit of like a little Massey Ferguson or something like that. So I thought, oh, I won't mind having one of them at some point. And then I forgot about it. And then they didn't seem to be around for too long. And yeah, you don't seem to see too much of them. Anyway, last year at the Norbreck RC Models show in Blackpool, there was a model shop there called RSC Scale Models that you saw the card for at the beginning of the video, and they had one for sale. And anyway, I did struck a deal with the chap who owned it, and we got this rather cool Tumbling Bull, and I thought we'll save this, we'll get it built up. And I know my daughter Evelyn, she likes tractors, so she'll have a bit of fun with this as well. So as you can tell, it's not your usual tractor colour. Evelyn chose the colour for this, which is a metallic purple. I think it looks quite good in metallic purple actually. And then we just did the driver figure in a bright red and painted him up nice and bright. He's even got a lovely coat of like glossy bronzy coloured hair. To be honest, when I first painted it, he had ginger hair. Now, obviously nothing against people with red hair, but it looked terrible with the red jacket, so I had to repaint it so it didn't look as garish on the driver figure. Anyway, so as I say, it's all been built up. The only thing I've done to it, I've put a set of bearings in it as well. Other than that, it is absolutely standard. Now I was going to put a slower motor in it for my daughter. I wanted something a bit more torquey, less straight line sort of speed, because with it being a tractor. Anyway, that didn't pan out, so it has got the kit 540 in, but it's absolutely fine. Yeah, it was an easy build. It's a nice easy chassis to do. You get it done in a couple of hours. I didn't really have any problems with it. Now I'll tell you what I did have a problem, and it was with painting. I didn't have any PS? No, the TS paint for the hard plastic parts. I only had what was left of some PS black paint, so I sprayed it up. It worked, but it didn't come out amazing. But you know, I mean, it looks fine. It's only on the lights and the steering wheel. The driver figure was painted in like the little tubs of the XR Tamiya acrylic paint, so I've got mud all over me now. So anyway, there it is. That's the finished thing. Really happy with it. Evelyn likes it as well. But what I thought we'd do is we'd give it a before I give it to Evelyn to play with. I thought we'd give it a bit of a run as it is, and let it bumble about and do what it does. It's on the WR02 chassis, so it is a sort of a wheelie truck, and it's got that comical look to it, so it fits in with their other comical chassis. But yeah, really pleased with it. I think it looks really nice in that colour, and I'm happy with how it's turned out. Anyway, before I forget, big thanks to RSC Scale Models, much appreciated, and I hope you like the finished product. All the details for the model shop I will put into the video description, so you can check them out. Massive thanks again. Right, let's see what it's like. So I say it will happily wheelie. So let's see. So you can see. weight being at the back. So it looks just it's just being a nice slow tractor, to be honest. You know, with the 540, it zips along a bit. Yeah. But you know, I think with the tractor as well, I like it just bumbling about, not a very fast speed. But yeah, it's good fun. It's cool. They do put a smile on your face. Oh, as if. Oh no! I've lost his head. Oh dear. Oh, that's painful, isn't it? I love it. Look, we've lost. That's the back of his head. Maybe I forgot to put a bit of glue on that. Oh no. That's it, he's gonna have to drive headless now. poor sod. Oh well, oh, bit drafty anyway. Off we go. Yeah, that wasn't scripted. So if you look low down at him, you can't tell. Oh, now I've gone and beached it. Not 4-wheel drive. But this is what they're for, just tootling around. And ooh, nearly. And lifting those front wheels. Take it up there again. But no, I'm sure Evelyn will like this. She did have a quick go actually in the living room just because she wanted to see it wheelie. And the good thing with that is it's dead easy with the weight distribution on it. So yeah, so won't get it stuck again, he says. Yeah, they are good fun, and for me, you know, I do like old tractors a little bit, so this is the one I would have chosen to buy anyway. But again, if I was painting it up for me, I would have literally painted it like a little old grey Massey Ferguson, or the later Fergusons with the red and grey livery. But yeah, but no, it's cool, and I'm glad Evelyn chose the purple. I think it looks really good. She chose a nice colour there. I tell you, it'll be funny actually after I finish filming this and getting the thumbnail. I've got to try and get one with his head all in one piece. Nah. There you go. I'm going to try and jump it over the log, then I was getting a bit cocky there. Cool. Anyway, we'll bring it back. I think my wife's getting a little cold now, so am I. Okay, because just before this video we were filming the Traxxas TRX4M with the upgrades we've made, so we've been out a little bit now and it is a little cold. Anyway, I don't know what's on it. Actually, I could put my hand on that, it'll warm my hands up. There we go. I've put my hand there you go. Yeah, I called him. I've been calling him Jim. Different story, I won't go into that, but anyway, I've been calling him Jim, and now Jim's a bit worse for wear. He's headless, half headless. Anyway, that is the Tumbling Bull on the WR02 G chassis. As I said, from about 2014. You can't buy this kit anymore. It's been discontinued. So that is why when I saw it, I had to snap it up. So yeah, and it's just going to get used for fun now. So yeah, hope you enjoyed seeing this one tumbling about, as the name says, or bumbling about. And yeah, good fun kit. Right, okay, yeah, cheers for checking this one out. Much appreciated as always. If you haven't already, please do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that like and notification bell. Also, come find us on Instagram and Facebook on Andy Robinson RC. Right, I'm going to go sort his head out now. Look after yourselves, take care, and we'll see you again. Bye!